everybody, it's Mr. Polanco, principal of Sanger West High School. Just want to take a moment here as the varsity game just wrapped up for baseball and we've got softball going on. It's beautiful weather out here and I want to take a chance to personally invite everybody out there, all of our families of our current and our future students. We have open house taking place on Monday evening from 5 to 7 p.m. Our classrooms will be available. We'll have food trucks available starting at 4:30 and going all the way to 7:30. We'll have student performances starting at 4:30 going to 5. So again, we want to invite everybody out there. If you have any questions or want to see about what Sanger West is about, come on out. And then a special time from 7 to 7:30 p.m. Anybody interested in participating in any of our athletic teams for the coming school year, all of our coaches will be present and available in the MPR, and a chance to ask them any questions you would like. Get signed up so they can communicate with you at the appropriate time for any available summer workouts or spring things that may be taking place for those that are able to participate in those at this time. So again, open invitation, everybody out there. We're gonna have some amazing food vendors here, so come and get dinner, come and check out all the great things taking place in the classrooms and on the campus, and we look forward to seeing everybody here. Have a good weekend, everybody. Goodbye.